Le hoch Craobh na món atra le ceithre bliana déag ó gá oireann fórna bhfuil gachar Buaicphointí le bliant beag idir chréibhcha chaantaí, chuige agus na héireann aigear chéile ag an deir seachtaine. Baile Mhic Gonair ó Fortláirige agus na Piarsaigh ó Limnach, gá oireann den scoth. Cioccha a dhiocach sláán an gaiibh an seo gréibh máineacht na món. Bhí brian táir ag Darrow Canal i Limnach don chaiban túntaach seo.
Takeíocht leistigus rís de passanna beag go lámh seo. Peter Hogan, a dulsa chance ach bit biú dulsa chance. Sheehan ausar fad. Go Hurling chuman rugger. Agus tá na hactrí spáis ag Harry inis. A fuair an cúlsach le canis leir de bblianta hen. Déannig pointin go ansa. Dasgur sér fad ceapfagur áidir teanta ar a Dave and son nuair a bhí Peter Hogan a seileadh a clitar. Ach da bhí an Pasca Hurling tóiste go siúd a choscail tá bhile na parke. Nis cén freagracha ag choílam níor sin Peter Casey. Nós cumilium go Hurling ar fad. Nis mar sin brise tóca go deasansa ag JJ Carey. Steach a láir slíad a bheilt na cosantóirí. Slitar beagán last year the Grimes. Adrian Breen. Farrell nach bhfuil luirte puin i gcuin becheachtamach san leistigh den gúile agus tá faintige. Brise tóca leistigh be seo bhfuil hen dianta go deasa go siúd báilir nis ach tá plúcha gleathach dianta ar siúd ord chosantige Baile Mhic Gonair sin ar éiste smach an ias hegra se tite me lethe chúil do bhain se Paddy lídí amach tá an spás puinteach ag Paddy. Nis mar sin síhan ar éist. Smach áling eile féró agus tá sé inis taobhann sa le Mikey Manny má bhí an gáilis. Mikey as cóid an chúil an son peintear a chaithúlachtaige ó ceann na parke go.
A rís canar síhan an son I láir an éananig chuir chuntosig agus Haran Trasnáin.
Well, sin chéad a faointas a chéile agus tá de seile tro focamach ag Dowling Mikey Manny fuair sé ceann díanach sa chéad le tá ceann nuaige sa tarna le. Tugstas a das. Nuas an sáir Patrick Fitzgerald. Tóca go Hurling ar fad. Clasaíocht an son ag Hartley. Siagarí Fitzgerald. Nis tá ábhar spáisige agus bhfuiln bhartianta Patrick Fitzgerald. Liú an slúir le clos.
Ach sin croigh ag Hartley an son chaise a lá bhí sé sin go híomhann ar fad. A mothiring Glíán an son aní as ar fad. Cuir siar go Patrick Fitzgerald. Chaise agus Haran Trasnáin an a scór ar fad.
Ronan Lynch. Rian Nisavo a Ragan Galintra Chursayansa in the stack of it. I demsiach near Kuriachta Vile. Istachan Sagadi Downs and Hoshiach Gadasiga Downs. Tan Credits Homahaga Yetaka Fainter. Casey Shugadi Lynch. Holashan Glayahaga Shane Dowling. Nishta Dempsey Ross Istachsa Sparsansa. Tasha Fishka against Shane Dowling. Nishwil Barnach on the Hole and Soniga. Iachal Correr Dalamachach Tan Rojan to get Connor Boy and Peter that's the Piarsaigh Agus Tan Hoist the short the Nishika. Nesh talking so Cowell Desi Hutchinson, Ta Tamili Nochnek were on Nimitoskel to Desi Fuir and Puck Amachanson, Agus Ta Harry Rodlewochel and trio painting a Harry Tanona.
Oh, Vichy Shin Rose saw Harry Rudlanson a Dulchan Tossigan saw. And Glíhános ar gcóir amach agus anna bhfuile díreach Haran Trasnáin.
Stetar well, bhí sé tamil a baint na spric amach. Desi Hutchinson bhí sa caintear Craobh Sean Immert. Tá sé sáte siar an scór nach aige.
Is Baile Mhic Gonair chun tosig ríis.
Ó Brasnan istig Fark Namer, Philip Manny Gaidy in order. Ach an Bishop talking gan the Chéile Córic, Sinead Peter Casey. Nish tá Casey a dolisteach an zón chúil agus sin Peter útach misnúil a charamóige.
Agus ceise faoin mar sé ríis a bhríon. Leis héin agus fechar son ag dulchan tosig ag titim agus Haran Trasnáin.
Cuignam Tadol, bí Cuine ver lecht na himara AIB, Darrow Connell, Críoch ná for Seannais, an Brescia má bhí an gáilis. Pucan Éirica má bhí an gáileo. Conor Tobin chun bheith a ráfeinte chuireachtaire úpód a bhaise.
On a score fad an son.
Shane Shachin na Cuis Céimena. Nes mar sin, Casey fnacht ar a dal of Downs an Sonnestig. An Brisha Tóca an Sogad Díalige Philip Banny Stolim. William Owen Diantige Baile Mhic Gonair Tógadain. Tá an Ceathrú Buaicphointí chéile fachtige Baile Mhic Gonair na Piarsaigh agus Cílínte go bhfuil an cluiche lechanis a gréibh na Buaicphointí amachcha ach tá an cluiche búirte Baile Mhic Gonair de chríochnaí a godáidir ná de hochtíoga Baile Mhic Gonair ná de cúideog agus na Piarsaigh.
I'm here with Desi Hutchinson. Desi, that was some game. It was a serious battle. Congratulations on a great win against a really, really good team. How do you feel right now?
Absolutely delighted. Probably wasn't our best performance, but Munster Championship up here. Limerick, I think it's our 4th year in a row up here. It never gets easy, and we knew it was going to be a hell of a battle, and so happy to dig deep there and come out even without playing our best.
The intensity the Piarsaigh showed was something crazy, so it was good to come out over at the end of the line to get over that. After the half time they blew us out of the water, I'd say, for the 3rd quarter, and it took us a while to kind of get the grips of what was happening.
Tá Harry Rodlewachel and 3 points to get Harry Tanona.
Very disappointing. Devastated dressing room there again. Genuinely believed that we were going to win it today, you know, and the club would be very proud of the way the boys performed. They give absolutely everything from the word go.
These players have battled for so many years together, and they're very determined, very close-knit group. There's a lot of belief in there.
So the young lads coming in there, they make a massive difference. Like Mark making his first start in the Munster quarter-final against the Piarsaigh, it doesn't get much harder. You just have to enjoy the win today. Don't know how many more of them you have left, so you have to try and make the most of them and maybe relax for a day or two and then think about SARS.
Every time we take the field together, we just want to do each other proud, but obviously then there's the hurt of last year as well. I want them to get back and play Sarsfields again. Will
you have a crack at them again now in the fortnight?
Yeah, looking forward to it now, definitely.
I'm sure you are.
If nothing lost forever, babe, then can we make a start?